In this video, we'll have a look at element text, buttons and boxes. These are some of the simple elements you can get started with on your Easy Builder. You can see on this page here, I've got a number of elements already. There's this title text, some subtext, a button, and there's all sorts of elements in this section here. Now, first up, I'm going to show you the box element, and this is a real good element to use frequently within your designs. Firstly, it looks great and it helps you to keep things organized. And secondly, it helps you with the rendering of the various displays on the different devices, such as mobile and tablet. You can see very quickly I can customize the look and feel of a box. I can use colors and I can also use images as well. And within that box, I can add other elements. So let's add another box. And within that box, I'm going to add some text. And when you add in text, you've got a choice of headers 1 through to 6 and normal text as well. Now, best practice, it typically is the case that you have one heading 1 on a page, and sometimes you might have a couple, but I tend to stick with just one. But for the purpose of this, I'm just going to drag in some normal text just there, and I'm going to change the settings of this as well. I'm just going to increase the size of the font. And notice how everything is resizing for me, and that's because of this little feature up here. It's the automatic layout. Now, by default, this is turned on, but if you need to, you can turn it off. But it's that is changing the size of the elements and adjusting that automatically for me. Now, let's finish by adding a button on here. I'm dragging a button. And I'm just going to go and change the colors. And the styles. Now for the outer box, I'm going to change the radius style and make the corners a little more rounded. And I'm also going to do the same for the inside box as well. And that's just a very simple demonstration of some of the elements that you can use on your Easy pages. Now, I just want to show you one more trick with the text field. So let me just move this down slightly. And let me insert now a heading text. And I'm going to customize this by changing the font type, the weight, and also the color. Now, let's say I was creating, for example, a dashboard page, and I said, "Welcome to your dashboard." And I'm going to make that a little wider here. Now, if I go into the Content tab just up here, notice there's this little icon here, and that allows me to insert a field into this piece of text. I can choose between first and last name. So now I've personalized that bit of text for the visitor of my site. And here you can see what it looks like on the dashboard page. So that's a real useful thing to have that just creates those little touches that enable you to personalize your Easy pages.